What's up, guys? Yagaber Plays here, and today we are gonna intercept in Twister X using the Dominator 3. Yeah, guys. Hopefully you enjoy this video, and make sure to like and subscribe. And that's all I'm asking from you guys. All right, let's start. So. This is the interceptor we're using. Yeah, it's good. Let's just buy a probe. What probe should I buy? Should I buy the Vortex probe? I'm gonna use the turtle probe. No, I'm gonna use the Twist X probe because that's what I always use. Yeah, so hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Yeah, as I'm saying, make sure to like and subscribe because that makes me smile every day. And thank you for those people who supports my channels and enjoys my videos. I'm very thankful for you guys. Alright, starting to get cloudy. Yeah, so let's check here. So I was playing this earlier. I was gonna do probing in my other video, but I was lagging so bad at that video, so I just did it again because I think you guys won't like the lag. Yeah, so hopefully you guys enjoyed this video.
The National Weather Service in Haiti has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Midfield County, North Central Caldera, Wheat County, North Central Caldera, Rivulet County, North Central Caldera. National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm located southwest of Haiti, moving northeast at 40 miles per hour. This severe thunderstorm will be near Stoning Tunnel, Galva, Ashtown, Hayton. The main threat of this storm will be quarter-size hail. This is a dangerous storm. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of the building, or get inside a sturdy structure.
Just hit 50k, but if I intercept it, it doesn't got 50k. It's alright. I'll just make another video and. Gonna intercept this already, even though it's still a small tornado, and I'm still lagging for some reason, and I drove past my turn. Yeah, I'm lagging as heck. This is what I'm saying earlier, like in my first what's the path? Yeah, it's going this way already. It's going that way. That's where it's going. So let me check. Don't tell me that's a rain wrap tornado. In everything, when I intercept, I don't want to intercept on a bridge. In Ireland. Alright, so hopefully. Alright. Yeah, let's go like right here. Yeah, we have a tornado warning. That thing just expanded. Oops, the tree's blocking me?
The National Weather Service in Haiti has issued a tornado warning for Midfield County and North Central Caldera. National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a tornado on the ground near Haiti, moving northeast at 30 miles per hour. This tornadic thunderstorm will be near Haiti, Ashtown, Redfield, Green Lake, This is a very dangerous storm. For your protection, seek shelter in a strong building. The safest place to be during a tornado is in a basement. Get under a workbench or other piece of sturdy furniture. If no basement is available, seek shelter on the lowest floor of the building in an interior hallway or room such as a closet. Use blankets or pillows to cover your body, and always stay away from windows. If in a mobile home or a vehicle, evacuate them and get inside a substantial shelter. If no shelter is available, lie flat in a nearest ditch or other low spot and cover your head with your hands.
Place our probe down and let's deploy. And obviously I missed it. It missed me. Let's diminish wind speed. Why the heck is the wind speed not working? Is it broken, bro? What the heck's happening? Oh shoot, I think because it's not on its feet. Well, I just wasted it. Just go onto its path. That's it. From my baby. Yeah, right here. Yeah. Dude. Oh yeah, I'm in its path. Yes. Nailed it, bro. Nailed it. Oh yeah, 82. Alright. 4. Oh, it's only the maximum speeds. Why can I not take my probe? I'm lagging. Bro, oh, finally. From a cyclone turned into a literal... Is that a chair? I thought it was a chair. A giant chair. I thought it was a giant chair. I'm gonna slide. Yeah, I'm sliding towards it. Yeah, but April Fool. No, I'm trying. Just tripping with your boy. Yeah, nothing's here. Straight towards me. Yeah, on its feet. Oh shoot, I'm not deployed. I'm not deployed. Woo! Near death. Bro, I'm thinking like the TIV-2 sound when deploying. that's all for today's video. Make sure to like and subscribe, and hopefully you all enjoyed this video. And thank you for those who liked and subscribed, and still thank you for those who didn't like and subscribe because they still watched this video. Thank you for everything, guys. And that's all for today's video. Peace.